Preparing for the AWS Solutions Architect certification, best practices and resources. Preparing for AWS Solutions Architect. Understand the exam blueprint. Familiarize yourself with the exam blueprint provided by AWS. Hands-on experience. Practice. Ensure you have hands-on experience working with AWS services and solutions. Study materials. Invest in quality study materials such as AWS white papers, documentation, and online courses. Resources for AWS Solutions Architect. AWS Training and Certification. AWS offers training courses tailored to help you prepare for certification exams. Practice exams. Take advantage of practice exams to assess your knowledge and identify areas that need improvement. How to pass AWS certification. Create a study plan. Set aside dedicated time each day to study and stick to your plan. Understand core concepts. Ensure you have a solid understanding of core AWS concepts such as EC2, S3, IAM, and VPC. Conclusion. In conclusion, earning the AWS Solutions Architect certification can open up exciting opportunities in the field of cloud computing.